So if you love trucks, this is something that's quite unique. But this is serious, this is no joke. So here's a 2-inch, 10,000 pounds. This is 2 and 5/16 of 15,000 pounds on the same exact unit. You get an extra ball. Here's a replacement ball, you get an extra one. This is a 1 and 7/8. You have spacers. Here's a receiver part. This is for a 2-inch receiver part. Very, very thick, nice aluminum. And you also get a key and the locking pin for it, so it doesn't get stolen. You definitely don't want to lose it. This is really nice. You also have a lock for this side over here, so this can be removed. This slides in here, so it has multiple connections where you could plug it in, right? So you could slide up and down for different kind of like trailers. And you could put the lock back on. And then you have this for the receiver itself, and also these are the spacers for it. Also you have a screw over here that you could adjust. So you could adjust it perfectly to hold on to your hitch so it doesn't wobble and go over the place. And this is the bolt that holds everything together, and also it has a lock. Yeah, very interesting, and it's heavy duty, like you could barely lift it off the ground. This pin goes out, this is assembled. You get a pin in this bag, but also you get this wrench. So this wrench, you could adjust this. This is what the wrench is for. And this pushes the entire spacer out, so it forces it against the hitch itself, so it doesn't wobble all over the place. Also, this same wrench is used to remove these pins over here, so you can replace the ball. So if you need a 1 and a 7/8, you have an extra ball for that. Or you could also flip these balls if you want the name to sit upside right or upside. But look at the build quality on this thing. This is amazing. It's unbelievable what they did to it. This is aluminum, and this is metal. So this is heavy, but the craftsmanship, it's really nice in it. So look at this. Yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, very, very nice quality. Even the packaging is impressive on it. So you got everything you want in the box. The metal just nice and very, very nicely painted aluminum. Spacers, metal spacer, 3 types of balls. You get everything in this kit. Instructions, and very, very nice box. I'm quite impressed about this quality.